video we're gonna be seeing if we can survive a tornado. Let's see. Let's pick suburban. Something suburban. Whoa. Oh. Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Let's go into that house. Whoa! Yup. Hello there. It's coming! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, do something! Do something! Do something! Do something! Do something! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Alright, well, I don't think we did very good on that one. I think we died pretty badly. But oh my god! Let's see what this guy's seeing. Okay, they're in the pharmacy. Oh my god! We're gonna die! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! 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 No, the child! No! No! Oh my god! 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 They just died! Oh my god! Oh, you're okay. Never mind. But oh my god! Wow, he made it. He was the only one that made it. How? Wow. That's amazing. Let's do the city. Yeah. Wow, let's go into that building right there. Whoa! Oh. Okay! Wow, what a cool city. Wow. How cool. Wow. Wow. It's a little boy! Get inside! It's okay. I think it's a little boy! I hear it coming! Oh no! 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 It's coming! Prepare yourself! Oh, it's not that bad. I mean, just look aside. Oh! Oh my god! Was that a car? That was a car! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Ah! Yes! What? Where did you come from? Are you okay? Okay, pass by. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Look at it! Look at the buildings! Everything is torn apart into little pieces! Let's look outside. Oh my god! Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you had a fun time watching. Alright, bye!